Patrick from the Clover Adventures had me come over to this leprechaun's den because he says that's the only way to get the chest open to find clovers because he wanted gold and clover. But I told him I had no gold. So he said to go to the leprechaun. But like, it's creepy here. Like it's so green and like golden past walks. Like so I see there's one 4-leaf clover, but I can't just quite get it quite yet because he says to get it we need to get gold. So I'm gonna knock and yeah, I'm gonna knock. No one's answering. I don't know what to do now. I think I'm just gonna open it up and go in. Oh man, this is such a nice little house. It's like such like a leprechaun stand and like oh there's cake there and nice lamp and golden platform 4-leaf golden platforms that I probably shouldn't step on because it might be booby trapped. But I'm gonna step on them anyway to go upstairs. Oh man, look at all that gold. Oh, there's a leprechaun. The leprechaun is actually home. The leprechaun is home, guys. Oh no, what should we do?
What are you doing in my house? Who sent you here and why?
Patrick, the other koala sent me here because you had the 40 clovers in gold.
What gold? Patrick never asked for gold. Never in his lifetime would he ask for gold. Because besides, why would I give you gold so Patrick could have all my gold?
Because you're such a nice leprechaun, and like I really want those rare spikes and and nerd glasses and wards and stuff.
Jeez, it's St. Patrick Day all about getting rares and stuff? I don't think so. I am not giving you my gold no matter what.
But you should give me your gold.